This time of year, we're looking to cozy up with those warm bowls of soup, but the spread isn't complete without the breadsticks. It's the sidekick you want to pair with your favorite fall soup. Heidi VanValkenburg with Rhodes Rolls is joining me in the kitchen to share not one, but two breadstick recipes to serve with. I am so for these both. I vote for both. I vote for you. I vote for the breadsticks. I vote for soup season.
Thank you.
All right, what are we making first?
Okay, so it's Halloween's coming up, right?
Yes.
And so, but you could do these anytime. Like if you're a dog lover, these are our dog bone breadsticks.
Dog bone breadsticks.
Yeah, right? Is that not the funnest?
That's cute.
So you can do them with the Texas rolls or you can do them with the dinner rolls.
Okay.
If you use the dinner rolls, put two together to get this size.
Okay.
And this is a really good size. So let's start off with those.
Yes.
And then I just have a bowl of marinara, but like you said, soup is great. And we have a spider soup bowl. Matter of fact, I thought I was doing that here today. I really want to do it.
The spider soup bowl, but we were stuck on the dog bone breadsticks.
I don't know what happened. But anyway, we went with breadsticks.
Okay.
So anyway, we are going to take these. I love to have your scissors. You just kind of roll. I like to clip it. This is a Texas, so I don't need to put two together. And I'm going to roll this out. And it seems to me it goes about 12, 14 inches. We can, you know, as long as that you want to get it.
It looks like 11 and a half to me.
Does it? Okay, well, thanks. So, well, okay, that will work too.
I'm teasing.
All right, and then just kind of long like this.
Yeah.
I'm going to take this end, and I'm just going to do a knot on the end.
Okay. Oh, like knot it. Just,
just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other end.
Okay.
I'll put these down on my cookie sheet. I'm going to brush them with melted butter, and then you can season them to your liking. Garlic, salt, whatever you'd like to do.
Yum.
So, and put those down there. And let it rise, double in size, covered in plastic wrap, and then bake them. So really simple to do these.
Yes.
I love them. Line these up on your cookie sheet and make a whole bunch of those.
And to think, just a little knot on one side, knot on the other, and you have a little theme for your Halloween table or just for fun.
We do have one that's the bone chilling breadstick, and you would roll the same thing out and just clip the ends and kind of flatten them. So we have that one on our website too. So if you want that one.
It sounds like your website is the place to be right now.
It is. It is.
It makes it so convenient with the frozen dough to be able to pull off something themed or something fun.
Something really easy.
Great. Okay.
So I'm going to go back to my Texas roll, but like I mentioned, if they're hard for you to find, you can do this with the dinner rolls. Just put two together. That's right. And clip this again. This is just a trick that I like to do. I don't know if it even says that on the directions, but to me, it gets the shape, okay? I love to just roll this out, and I'm going to flatten it. Now, if you noticed, oh, Brooke, can I have you cut that in half?
Yeah.
I'll give you my scissors.
Yeah.
Okay,
like
so.
Down the, like.
No, this way.
This way, okay.
Yeah, in half.
Aren't you glad I asked?
I'm glad you asked.
I've learned.
You've learned. Okay, so I'm going to flatten this out, and these breadsticks are our giant cheesy breadsticks.
Which, hello, can a name be better? Giant,
cheesy
breadsticks. Yes, yes, and yes.
Yes. Okay, what I'm disappointed in, they took off our website, but I'm going to share this idea.
What?
We have a potato chip. It's a cheesy potato chip breadstick. Oh. So you're going to do this basically the same. You put pepper jack in the middle, and then you roll it in butter and roll it in crushed sour cream and green onion potato chips. I had to share that. I'm sorry. It's one of my favorites.
Yes. Well, someone had a stroke of health conscious, but we decided to bring it back because we need potato chips on our breadsticks. And think how you could play with all the flavor combinations
Exactly.
there.
So, okay, one step above. So this is 1.5 of these, and so you have your other half right there. I'm just going to seal this up inside of here.
You've got
just
a whole
like
cheese stick inside a bread cave
Yes,
tunnel.
and one of the suggestions that one of our cute consumers suggested is to put your cheese sticks in the freezer so they stay even colder, so that while it's rising and then they don't seem to melt as much. I have not tried that. Mine are just cold, and so it's just fine. So with this, you can take this. This is my seam right here. Make sure that's seamed really well. You can roll this in your melted butter. Then you can roll it in whatever types of seasoning that you would like.
Potato chips?
I know, I love that idea. I know, I can't give up on that. But let me just tell you on that, put the seam down, okay? So that the cheese will stay inside of it. And again, cover it with the plastic wrap that's been sprayed and let that rise double in size, and then you're gonna bake it. Another thing I like to do after it has doubled in size, I like to just give it a couple of like scores on the top just for appearance. Parmesan cheese is really good on that. You can do that, everything but the bagel seasoning. Oh, yeah. That adds a lot. On the bones, I think that might be a little disgusting, but on this, it's okay. So either way that you want to do that.
Can't have dusty bones, dusty dog bones.
Spider cinnamon rolls. Go to our website. There are so many ideas for Halloween.
What's your website?
Okay, rhodesbaconserve.com. So just go there and have a heyday with this Halloween coming up.
And of course, you know to get the Rhodes products in the freezer section of your grocery store. store. Heidi,
Yes.
thank you so
You
much.
bet.
You see the website on your screen. We will also link you from our website, studio5.ksl.com. Click on the recipe tab at the top of your screen. You'll find today's recipes, all the promised links, and frankly, years and years of recipes at your fingertips. So it's a fun time to visit our site this time of year with Halloween coming up because there are so many fun ideas there waiting for you.